It's your girl Chic Dow, and today we're here with a Nacho. Nachos is made with Doritos Flaming Hot Nacho. That's what it's called. So, yep. We got some chicken. We got some shredded lettuce. We got some pico. We got some jalapeno. Well, I didn't put the jalapenos on there yet. It's jalapenos. And I got some cheese and some sour cream. So without further ado, let's get grubbing with Chic Dow. Okay. I'm going to put my cheese on there. Baby, look at that drip. Ooh, look at that drip, y'all. Yes, baby. Okay. This is my J and Will. Got my cheese drip. Now I'm gonna put my jalapenos on there. I got a few, cause there's already some in here. There's already a few in here. Ooh. Alright, some shenanigans going on. Got my cheese for my jalapenos. And then I already got this one from Quarters. Look at the yeah. I love sour cream, okay? And it's daisies, yes. Ooh, look at that. Yes. Ooh. I'm sorry, y'all, but I really love sour cream. And I got a little bit of hot sauce. I'm not gonna make it too big. I want that little crunch. Now let's get grubbing. I told y'all I was giving y'all at least 3 videos this week. That's your thumbnail. That should be good. I'm not really going to do too much talking because it's so good. They over here eating nachos, y'all. I really love hot Cheetos. Hot Cheetos and like Flamin' Hot energy. So good. Whew, excuse me. Y'all, my freaking leg is falling asleep. The jalapeno. My mouth is so red. Whew. This video not gonna be too long. Whew. Y'all. Oh my god. Oh wait, how could I make a video and not talk about this Deira and Ken situation? Do y'all think that Ken was really cheating? I don't think he was cheating. I don't think so. People just need to mind their business. Somebody always hate him and never mind their business. Like, do I really think Ken is stupid enough to be cheating in a parking lot somewhere? Really? Like, seriously. I feel like there was a fan or something. Yeah, they talk about he was touching her butt and all that. I ain't see all that. In that video, you could barely see anything. Ooh! Y'all, my legs giving out on me. Put that there. Yeah. Feel me? This is so good. I decided that when I reach my 200 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway. So, if you watch the video, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below, because the winner can be literally anybody, as long as you're subscribed to my channel. This is for subscribers only. So, and I don't think I'm doing a little cheap giveaway. Might be money, might be a gift, might be a car. Shoot. No, I ain't giving away no car, but I'll get the point. Yo, Carter's still over there with a full plate of nachos. Say hi to my YouTube. Say hi. They can hear you.
What's up, YouTube?
I got rid of my nose. Okay, y'all. So don't forget to leave me a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. and give this thumbs. Ugh. Give this video a thumbs up. And make sure you hit that bell so you can be notified every time your girl posts a video and you can become a doll. Why not? Join the doll gang because, you know, it's lit over here. Period.
Call me stupid, like what the hell I'm doing. I've been in the studio and focused on my music. Ain't got